Think OBD100 is a generic OBD scanner for beginners and car owners. It supports full OBD2 diagnostic functions like read and clear codes, IM readiness, data stream, freeze frame, O2 sensor test, onboard monitor test, EVAP system test, and reading vehicle information. With a fault code library, Think OBD100 displays the fault code definition directly, saving you time searching. Think OBD makes advanced diagnostic very simple, even for beginners to understand. Plug and play, the live data stream is clearly showing on the screen, with a 39-inch extremely long OBD cable directly powered from the vehicle. With multi-language software, Think OBD100 makes the diagnostic so easy. New technology, cost-effective, with just Think OBD100.